Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace expansion tank and overflow tank on 2004 Mini Cooper Type S. Okay, let's get it started, guys. So this is number 10mm up there. Just remove it. Make sure, when you do it, make sure the engine completely cold. Okay, you don't want it, and drain some coolants out. Or you can do the same one. You see, I just rub the hose. You don't want the engine coolant like spill everywhere, so just pull it. Okay, so let me unclamp this one. This car already drained out the coolant, so it's gonna be easy for me to drain some and not drain all. Just pull the hose in here, the upper hose. Okay, here you go. It's just stuck in there. It's nothing special. Okay, it's out now. So let me use this one to block the hose on the bottom one. Oh, we don't need to block it because I already drained the coolant out. Forget it, sorry. I already drained the coolant, so I don't need those stuff. See, one more clamp on the bottom, the one on the side and one on the bottom. Just unclamp it and put the hose back in. And very simple job on this one. You can try it at home because the tank like leaking. It was leaking, so it's a very simple job. Doesn't want to come out, the hose on the bottom one. Okay, it's out now. Okay, it's out. You see the old one, it broken on the side in here, so it leaking. So you see the new one, just install a new one. Just put it back in. Let me take out the number 10mm ignition coils out. We get more room for it. Or if you don't want to remove the coil like mine, just disconnect the plug and it should be good to go too. But I do that way, much easier for me. It's a very simple job, guys. You can try it at home. If you see the tank that was leaking, do it. And the original one is not that really expensive. I can order it. Alright, so see it. When we remove the ignition coils out, we get more room to replace the tank. So right now it's time to put the new tank on. Before you do anything, just put the lower hose first. Lower hose and put the clamp back in. Here you go. Perfect. And next install. See, and number 10mm. Only one nut on this car. This is number 10mm. Just screw it in, tighten up. Okay, perfect. And install the upper hose. Boom. And it's all set. Just put the ignition coil bowl back in. In. Okay, it's all set now, guys. This is how to replace the expansion tank or overflow tank on 2004 Mini Cooper. It's all set. Next part we just pour fill up the engine coolant and should be good to go. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video. Any question, please let me know. I hope my video will help you out some. Okay, thank you.